February 18th. Currently walking. I just wanted to make some statements right now. Because I don't know, I just felt like, and I'm sorry I didn't post yesterday, but I deliberately didn't want. I did not want to post. I did not feel the need to post yesterday. I didn't feel like posting yesterday. That's the correct. Yeah, I didn't feel like posting yesterday because there was a lot going on. I was like, my brain was all caught up to my past versions, and everything was chaotic. I relapsed in every single habit. Like I was at my down. Like I was at my lowest. Did everything that I used to do in the past, which always ended up hurting me. So I just decided that I should let go of these things because I'm not able to let go of these things properly. I'm just telling myself again and again that I have to do this, I have to do that, and I'm making progress, but at last it's just it never ends. It's just I don't know, I just tell myself I make some progress, but a threshold ke baad I just relapse, and that is the problem. And then I had to figure it out. I completely let go of my past habits of pornography. I have completely decided to remove myself or distance apart from all of these things that I have been currently struggling with to make way for better things. And gratefully and honestly, today was a good day. It's just the starting because this is not the end. This is not what I want. I still have work to do. I need to complete the work, but still, I feel good. And इसलिए I wanted to upload the video again. So that's the thing. I have let go from the tensions I used to seek from my past, from others, because I just wanted to be loved, admired, and feel special for no reason. अंधेरा हो गया यहाँ पे because there's no street light. I hope you won't mind. The next thing, I gave up on the idea of validating myself. I used to get validations from having good looking friends or having popular friends around me, because I felt like it will give me more attention and more love. People will people will be naturally drawn towards me, but this never happened. This actually made things worse because I was constantly craving others' attention and judgment and not caring about my own needs. So yeah, I did that too as well. The goal in the future now is to do exactly this, like remove all of these things. And I was always chasing materialistic goals, and I'm now changing these materialistic goals to the values and habits, and I am no longer wanting to chase these materialistic things. I just want peace in my brain, because if there's peace in me, if there's calmness inside me, if I feel good about myself, I think other things will come up automatically, and the peace is the only thing that matters. यहाँ पे lighting बहुत गई because यहाँ कोई street lights नहीं है. But yeah, I hope I see you guys again, and this time we are not moving backward. This time we are fucking moving forward, and this is what the documentary was for, to move forward, to make these steps. और मैं ज़्यादा philosophical होने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहा, because I know I will end up in that loop again. ये सब चीज़ें पढ़ के अपने आप का दिमाग ख़राब करके, because this gives me nothing. I have everything I wanted to know now, every answers. और अगर और चाहिए होंगे तो I will get back to these things. So yeah, see you.